Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sesi Arisma. I'm from PGSD kelas A, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan Universitas Juanda Bogor. Here, I will show you micro teaching use CPR method. But before we begin micro teaching, I will explain about CPR method. Namely the CPR, Total Physical Response method, as one of the presentation techniques in teaching, especially in learning foreign language, be it English, Japanese, French, and others. The learning method is a science that talks about ways to convey learning material so that it is mastered by students. In other words, the science of teaching, teachers, and student learning. According to Richard J. in his book Approaches and Methods in Language Teaching, TPR is defined a language teaching method built around the coordination of speech and action. It attempts to teach language through physical motor activity. So, the TPR, Total Physical Response method, is a language learning method that is arranged in the coordination of commands, speech. So, the TPR, Total Physical Response method, is a language learning method that is arranged in the coordination of commands, speech, and motion, and trying to teach language through physical activity motor. Language teaching, TPR is defined a language teaching method built around the coordination of speech and action. It attempts to teach language through physical motor activity. So, the TPR method is a language learning method that is arranged in the coordination of commands, speech, and motion, and trying to teach language through physical activity. This method was developed by a professor of psychology at the University St. George, California, named Professor Dr. James J. Asher, who has been successful in developing this method in learning foreign language in children. He argues that direct pronunciation to the child or student contains an order, and then the child or student will respond to his physical before they start to produce verbal or verbal responses. Form of activity with the TPR method in teaching and learning process. In the process of teaching and learning using the TPR method, there are many activities that can be carried out by teachers and students, including 1. Training using the command imperative drill is the main activity carried out by the teacher in the classroom from the TPR method. Exercise is useful for obtaining physical movements and activities from students. 2. Dialogue or conversation, conversational dialogue. And 3. Playing roles, role-playing, can be centered on daily activities such as in school, restaurant, markets, and others. And 4. Presentations with OHP and LCD. And last, reading and writing activities to increase vocabularies and also train on sentence structures, bend on tenses, and so on. The theory of TPR language learning, which was first applied by Asher, is a reminiscence of some of the views of psychologists. For example, Arthur Johnson once proposed a 7-step model to describe the development of children's verbal learning. This model is very similar to Asher's view of language as questions of children. Asher presents 3 influential learning hypotheses, namely 1. There is a specific built-in program for language learning that illustrates an optimal path for first and second language development. 2. Lateralization of the brain illustrates different learning functions in the left and right brain. And 3. Stress affects learning activities and what will be learned by students. The lower the capacity of stress, the learning will be better. Okay, that is the material the explain about TPR method. So next I will show you micro teaching with TPR method. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss.
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Thanks. Okay, I will checking attendance. Yes. Everybody's here today.
No.
Who's not coming?
Rishi.
Rishi? Why he's not coming? Why isn't he coming in today?
Because he was accident.
He was in accident? Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my God. So when you're playing, you have to be careful not to overdo it, which ultimately makes you worse. Right. After studying today, we visit him to his house, okay?
Yes.
Okay, children, before we begin our lesson, let's pray together, okay? Yang akan dipimpin oleh ketua kelas, yaitu Gina.
Let's pray together. Begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta. And you now clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, show your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout
Yeah.
hooray! Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy,
If you're happy and you know it's a hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it's a hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then you just show it. If you're happy and you know it's a hooray! Hooray! Yay!
Okay, children. Tadi kita sudah menyanyi ya. Nah, now listen to me. Don't repeat after to me. Just listen, okay?
Okay.
This is book.
Yes. This is
No, just listen. Don't repeat after to me, okay?
okay.
This is a book. Read a book. Read a book.
Yes.
Okay, I have a bottle. Take a bottle. Take a bottle. Okay, and next I have lamp. Turn your lamp. Okay, look at me. Okay, turn your lamp. And then the last, I have a pencil. Write with pencil. Write with pencil. Okay, everybody. Now, everybody, please repeat after to me. Okay?
Yes.
First, read a book.
Read a book.
Okay. Repeat again.
Read a book. Read
Again.
Read a book.
Sekali lagi.
Read a book.
Okay. Second, put your book. Second, take your bottle.
Take your bottle.
Put again. Put and okay. Everybody, please repeat after to me 3 more. Okay.
Yes.
Write with penna.
Write with penna. Write with penna. Write with penna.
Okay. And the last, take your lamp and turn your lamp.
Turn your lamp. Turn your lamp. Turn your lamp. Turn your lamp.
Okay. Oke, jadi Miss akan menulis di whiteboard kata kerja dan kata benda yang tadi saling berkaitan yang sudah kalian ucapkan. Oke, children, kalian harus menulis apa yang saya tulis di whiteboard, oke?
Yes.
Ya, apaan di kan? Kok? Master saya? Ya. Ini master ya?
Yes. Read a book. Take your bottle. Write with pencil. Turn your
Okay, please, and now you, Gina.
Yes. Read book. Take your bottle. Write with pencil.
Now, Chacha, repeat after me again, okay?
Yes.
Read a book.
Read a book.
Take your bottle.
Take your bottle.
Write with pencil.
Write
Write with pencil. And turn your lamp.
and
Turn your lamp. Okay. Okay, everybody. Good job. Kalian semua sudah bisa menirukan instruksi-instruksi dari Miss ya. Nah, oke. Just hanya itu saja pembelajaran hari ini. Okay, class. What have you learned today?
about verb and things.
Okay, please memorize this lesson. Practice at home, and next meeting I'll check it. Okay?
Yes.
Are you enjoy, students?
Yes, we are.
Okay, students, time is up. Let's close our class today by reciting Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for your attention and your participation today. See you next time. See you next time, students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Micro teaching, dan seperti itulah micro teaching dari metode TPR atau Totally Physical Response. Mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan atau tutur kata yang kurang berkenan. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.